glass, glass, and yes, even more glass. Today we're bringing you the companies that put the glass in Glasstec. I'm Ellen Rogers, editor of US Glass Magazine, and welcome to Day 2 in Dusseldorf. What's new in architectural glazing? This is the place to find out. Companies from around the world are here with new products. We spent time with a few manufacturers and learned about some global trends driving new innovations. We're here talking with Rolf Greiner from Guardian Industries. Thanks so much for taking some time to speak with us here at Glasstec. Tell us a little bit about this very impressive display behind us.
The idea behind this display actually is showing the innovation in special glasses in Europe. What we want to show actually are the dimensions. The panel height here we see is 6 meters. All glasses are curved. Also some glass innovations regarding solar control, higher reflection, lower reflections.
And just the curving with the coated glass, that's also it's unique for Guardian. There's not a lot.
This is recognized, yes, that our products are very flexible. Not only the anti-reflective coatings, but also solar control coatings. Rotating triangle is a very specific application for high performance architectural coated glass. So as you can see, there is a black stripe on the edges, and this is a ceramic frit printed on the coating, and this is an application more and more popular in the modern architecture.
This has always been a great show for us, the Glasstec show. The way I think of it is it's global in nature. We approach it in that way, although a lot of what you see at the show here is European, Guardian European products. There's also products that we make in North America that are included in it. And it's important because our customers in the architectural community, they design globally. Projects get designed in New York and implemented in other parts of the world. And so there's a lot more movement across borders than in the past. So I think this show really fits in with that idea.
This year we're highlighting a couple products that we intend to commercialize next year. The one that we're looking at here is a BIPV technology, building integrated photovoltaics. It allows us to harvest the light, the energy from the sun. In addition, it controls the glare, the light management, and also adds another functionality that it reduces the solar heat gain coefficient. Honestly, I think that 15, 20 years, who knows how long it will be, not all, but a large percentage of the glass that's glazed, not just in commercial buildings, but also in residential applications, will use a dynamic type of glazing, either to control the light, changing colors, changing tints, or harvesting the electricity.
Basically, the expectation or the trends that the market is following is kind of threefold. One, which has been here for a long time, is energy conservation and the environment. A second one is comfort and, let's say, aesthetics and also the indoor environment. And the third one, which is more of let's say, the information revolution, is, let's say, the digital communication through glass. If we look at what's happening in Europe, interior glass has been a huge area of development. It's a market that we don't feel is really mature yet in North America, but we see it as a real opportunity for growth in the coming years. The next wave of, let's say, technology shift with information and using glass to convey information. We have, for instance, here glass which is called Glassy Side. The latest development is the Glassy Side motion, where basically you could have any kind of messaging with any kind of color that will be as a moving picture, thinking not only about providing an envelope for the building, but also generating or conveying content through the envelope of the building.
When it comes to glass, architects love transparency. That goes for both exterior and interior applications. Exhibitors have lots of options that can help. Dow Corning showed us several new products designed for creating large spans of clear glass.
I think we are living in a global environment, right? So we can't introduce something for Europe and keep that in Europe anyway. So we are talking to architects, to designers, facade consultants, engineers, and they operate on a global basis as well. So they are ambassadors, for these innovative technologies. Actually, what we are showcasing here, that is something brand new, that is crystal clear structural silicone technology, which bonds glass together. And this technology allows us to fix glasses together without drilling through the glass, right? And the strength itself provides the structure capability, and the silicone provides the long-term durability. And we provide 3 different technologies, one for exterior point-fixed facades. The second technology is for interiors, where actually we are able to laminate metal to glass. And the third product is actually assembly technology, which allows on-site to structurally bond materials together.
The need for safety and security products continues to grow. With changing building codes in North America, laminated glass is being used a lot more. At the same time, fire-rated glass is also required by codes and can be combined with laminates for added safety and security. We spoke to 2 companies to learn more.
The trends that we're seeing are code-driven handrail systems where it has to be laminated glass with a stiff inner layer, either a stiff PVB typically, or in our case, the Century glass. We have both. For especially something like this with a point-supported system, you want to have a stiff inner layer that prevents when the glass is broken for it falling out of the frame.
We're looking at a contraflam structure, which is a butt joint solution for fire resistance. Here you see just a small scale sample, but this is a system that's available in all classifications from 30-minute integrity with low radiation up to 2 hours with full insulation. What's unique about the contraflam structures, we're able to make corner conditions. We can make any angle, not only limited to the 90 degrees we have exhibited here. Our business really mirrors the architectural trends in general. Glass sizes are getting larger, frame profiles are getting smaller. What we're introducing first in European markets right now is fire-resistant glass size up to 15 feet tall by 7 foot 6 inches wide.
Europe is definitely a leader in glazing innovation. That's clear at Glasstec. For more new developments, be sure and look to USGNN all this week for our ongoing coverage. And if you're here at the show, be sure and stop by and see us in Hall 13, Stand A24. Thanks for watching. I'm Ellen Rogers.
Rock the house, yo.